our channel Dr. Satpute School of Biology. I, Mr. Sumit Dere, who's physics faculty at DSSB, am presenting before you a brief analysis of physics paper NEET 2023. Attempting physics questions in NEET examinations will be much easier if you have mastered the three fundamental skills of learning, which are understanding the concept, application of the concept, and the last one is problem solving. NEET examination of 2023 was no exception for the same. Okay, so coming to the physics paper of this year, out of total 50 questions in section A, there are total 35 questions. Okay, these 35 questions are distributed among the different units of physics, such as mechanics. Mechanics has carried 12 questions. 12 questions collectively of electrostatics, electrodynamics, magnetism, moving charges and magnetism, then electromagnetism and alternating current. Then you can see 6 questions of modern physics, 2 questions of optics, 2 questions of heat and thermodynamics, and 1 question is of oscillation. In section B, you know that total 15 questions are there, but in 15 questions, out of 15 questions, 4 questions is of mechanics. Okay, 4 questions are of mechanics. Then 6 questions are of electrostatics, electrodynamics, then magnetism, moving charges and magnetism, electromagnetism, and alternating current. Then modern physics has carried 2 questions, optics has carried 2 questions, and oscillation has carried 1 question. Okay, so basically to score good marks in the NEET examination, one has to perform a very strategic study plan. Okay, for the NEET examination, which is going to occur in 2024. So basically, student has to execute a very strategic plan for NEET 2024 turn into a huge success. In order to succeed, students have to prioritize their lessons in effective way. Okay, so this planning will help them out effectively. In my opinion, the preferences of the lessons to be like this. As you can see on the screen, the first preference to be given to the mechanics lessons. All the lessons of mechanics to be prepared by you firstly, and followed by lessons which are like electrostatics, electrodynamics, magnetism, moving charges and magnetism, then electromagnetism, alternating current. Such lessons will be there in your first preference. Then in the second preference, you can go with the lessons of thermodynamics, or you can go with the lessons of modern physics and optics. Then later on, lastly, you can go with the lessons which are remaining, and that is your comfort zone. Okay, you can go with that. Then, so at DSSB Sangli, we provide need-based education, which means we can teach you an entire syllabus or a lesson or a topic, and that is according to your need. Okay, so students who are coming to us, they can come with a single topic, they can come with the entire lesson, or they can come with an entire syllabus. We are here to serve our best knowledge to our students and make them successful. We believe in planning small goals and achieving them in order to get the desired destination successfully. Thank you.